Good afternoon, Jai Hind. In the chapter Share, concept number 3, today we are going to discuss. We discussed the concept number 1, when share issued at par, how the entry will be passed. We discussed when share issued at premium, then how the entry will be passed. And in the segment, third concept, that what is the meaning of under subscription and how we will pass the entries in the respect of under subscription of share. तो बच्चा फर्स्ट वी विल अंडरस्टैंड द मीनिंग ऑफ अंडर सब्सक्रिप्शन. देखो व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ अंडर सब्सक्रिप्शन. सपोज अ कंपनी इशूड 1000 shares. Okay, company issued 1000 shares. Company invite the applications for 1000 shares from public. But now public only apply for 800 shares. Getting my point? Company issued for 1000 shares, but public only apply for 800 shares. So public is applying less than issued. So this particular condition where the applications are less than, subscriptions are less than issued, that is known as under subscription. In under subscription, bacha, the treatment will be on the basis of under subscription of shares number, not on the basis of issued shares number. So this is the meaning of under subscription. Sorry. And I hope that now the meaning of under subscription of share is clear to you. If somebody asks you that what is the meaning of under subscription of shares, you will simply say when public is applying less than, when public is subscribing less than issued number of shares, that is known as under subscription. You can give the example to them also, like issued is 50,000 shares. But public only subscribed, public only applied for 48,000 shares. So this situation is when 48,000 is less than the issued share 50,000, and this condition is known as under subscription share. Under subscription share treatment is simple. Only the things what you have to remember is that you have to do the calculation, all calculation on the basis of subscribed share 800, not on the basis of issued shares. So how this one? To just have a question, I'm just writing down a question for you guys. You just see and we will solve that. So question is, X Limited issued 40,000 shares. X Limited issued 40,000 shares at the rate of 10 each at a premium of 10%. Okay, bacha, what is the first line? That X Limited company is there who issued 40,000 shares at the rate of 10, each at a premium of 10%. Now the second information, the payment were to be made as, अब क्या भाई इंफॉर्मेशन में कह रहा है, on application 5 including premium, on allotment 4 rupees, and on first and final call it is 2 rupees. Okay, बच्चा I told you कि suppose if the information is not given that the share issued at premium, what we have to do? We have to find out the total how the payment made, and if the total is more than the written value, more than the face value, it is issued at premium. So when we find out the total, it is 5 4 plus 9 to 11 rupees, and the share value is how much bacha? 10. So 11 minus 10, premium value is how much bacha? 1 rupees. Number 1. Number 2, I told you yesterday only that when the premium is there in the question and there is no information that premium is on application, premium is on allotment, premium is on first call, premium is on final call, always we assume that allotment contains the premium. But if in the question it is specifically mentioned that premium is with that particular call, then we have to always do the treatment according to the question. Like in this, the application contained the premium 5 rupees. Now bacha, it is said that application received for 38,000 shares. All were accepted and all money received. अब guys, you see this is the question of under subscription. How? Because issued is 40,000 but application only received for 38. Public applied for 38. So when application receipt, when subscribed shares are less than the issued shares, that is actually the question of under subscription. So this is the question of under subscription. Now you just see the entry and learn. First we have to pass the entry of application, and bacha in application, in allotment, in first and final call, whatever, 2 entries are there. One is due and one is receipt. But in application, always we pass the receipt entry first, because when public are applying this for the shares, they send the application money also. And when we receive the application money, then only we decided that we have to allot or not. That's why in the application, first we pass the receipt entry. Ab bacha, how many shares are there? We will not take the base of 40,000 because we receive application for only 38,000. So what will be first entry? Bank account debit. How many persons are paying bacha? 38,000 shares are paying 5 rupees. 38,000 shares are paying 38,000 shares, so 38,000 into 5, 1,90,000. Total amount what we receive on application is 1,90,000. To share application account 1,90,000. One thing always remember bacha, in general cases premium will be never passed with, in general case I am telling you, normal case, premium will be not passed with the bank entry. It will be passed with the due entry. It will be passed with the due entry. So when premium can be passed with the bank entry? When the shares are cancelled and reissued. On that time it can be passed with the bank entry. But reissued, forfeiture is a very after topic. So after so many topic it will come. So in general situation, when the money is called and received fully, nothing is forfeited, nothing is reissued, always remember premium is passed with the due entry, not with the receipt entry. So first one is bank account debit to share application account 1,90,000, 1,90,000. Now you pass the due entry. Due entry is share application account debit 1,90,000, 38,000 into 5. Always remember बच्चा, in share capital always we transfer the main amount. So बच्चा, main amount of application is not 5 rupees. Main amount of application is just 4 rupees. How so? बच्चा, we total demanded on application 5, but that 5 include premium. So that 5 have 1 rupees premium also. So the net amount of application is how much? Only 4 rupees. 1 rupees is premium. Total we demanded on application 4 plus 1 5. So 38,000 into 4. How much it will come, bacha? Just calculate it. 38,000 into 4. It is 1,52,000. And bacha, security premium is a type of capital profit. All the profits are credited. That's why to security premium account, 38,000 shareholders paid how much premium? 1 rupees per share. So their total pays how much, bacha? 38,000. This is the entry of application. So again I'm explaining for you guys. Total money we receive in application is 38,000. Number of share 5 rupees is the particular application amount. So total is 38,000 into 5. Bank account debit 1,90,000. 2 share application 1,90,000. After that, bacha, share application account debit 1,90,000, 38,000 into 5. And 2 share capital. Bacha, in share capital we will transfer the application amount without premium. So without premium the application is 4 rupees. So 2 share capital 38,000 into 4. And bacha, security premium is a type of capital profit. That's why it will be credit how much? 38,000 into 1. Total will be 38,000. Now we will go for the allotment entry. So bacha, second one is what? Allotment entry. Now first we pass the due entry. So it will be share allotment account debit to share capital account. So bacha, number of share is 38,000, and bacha, allotment money is how much? Allotment money is 4 rupees. So 38,000 into 4. We not need to do the calculation again because already we calculated. It is 1,52,000. 1,52,000. And after that it is said that all money received. So we assume that the allotment money also received. So bank account debit to share allotment account 1,52,000, 1,52,000. And after that, bacha, next. Bacha, in the next you see that first and final call. First and final call, all are called together. First and final call together. Okay. So it will be only one call in the question and it will be open like this: share first and final call account debit to share capital account. To share first and final call account debit to share capital. How much, bacha? 38,000 shareholders is demanding how much? 2 rupees on first and final call. It is given in the question, bacha, that how much they are demanding? 2 rupees. Due money is how much, bacha? 2 rupees. So 38,000 into 2. 38,000 into 2 is equal to 76,000. Now, bacha, the whole money received. That's why bank account debit to share first and final call account. How much, bacha? So 76,000 and 76,000. So this is the way how we pass the entry in the question of under subscription. So meaning of under subscription, when our issued share is more and our subscribed share, applied share is less, that is the question of under subscription. In under subscription, for the calculation basis, we will take only the under subscribed share number 38,000. Bacha, in the application we demanded total 5 rupees, so bank account debit to share application 38,000 into 5. But bacha, in the 5 only application amount is 4 and premium is 1. So total share application we demanded 1,90,000. In that 1,90,000, 152,000 is for application, that's why to share capital, and the rest 38,000 is for security premium. Security premium is credit, that's why it is credited. So we will start one more topic today, which is known as issue of shares other than cash. The next topic name is topic number 4, issue of share other than cash. Issue of share other than cash. Ab bacha, you understand this thing. Whatever the 3 questions we solved till now in this chapter, all are issued in the respect of money. But sometime we are issuing the shares other than cash, without taking any money, without taking any amount. How so? Whenever we purchase something from someone, we purchase suppose machinery from Mr. Ram. Machinery value is how much? 40,000. But in the respect of paying 40,000, we have a deal with Ram ki bhai, I will not pay the money to you. Instead of that, I will give the company's share to you. And Ram is agree on that. Okay, chalo, don't give the money to me, give the company's shares to me. So that considered as an issue of shares other than cash. Sometime some promoters are there, and when we are giving the promoters at the place of money, we are offering shares to them, and that is also considered as issue of shares other than cash. The meaning is very simple, bacha. Whenever we are giving the shares to someone without taking any cash, but in the respect of that we already have some benefit from them, that is considered as issue of shares other than cash. Okay. तो बच्चा देखो, issue of shares other than cash. Suppose we are offering the shares to the promoters. So first point, you please write down the notes. Issue of shares to promoters. Issue of shares to promoters. So bacha, promoters are giving the services to the business to establish, to make a goodwill. Promoters, if you remember the class 11 chapter, one chapter is the formation of company, where the promoters are playing a very big role for formation of a company. One promotional stage is there when they are doing the research, taking the information, investing the information, helping to prepare the documents and all that work what the promoters are giving. So in the respect of the promoters of the service, sometime we are offering the money to them. The simple is there, incorporation cost account. Acha, whatever the cost which is coming for promoters is known as formation expenses, incorporation cost. So incorporation cost to bank. But in sometime at the place of bank, we are offering the shares to them. So how we will pass the entry when the issue of shares to promoters? See this bacha, the entry when we issue the shares to promoters will be incorporation cost account debit to. Bacha, if we are giving the amount, then to bank, but we are not giving the amount, we are giving the shares, so to share capital account. Like suppose we are giving the shares to promoters 5,000 shares at the rate of 10 each. So total incorporation cost will be 5,000 into 10, 50,000, and total share capital what we are offering to them is 50,000. So bacha, please remember this: issue of shares to the promoters, incorporation cost account debit, all the expenses are debit, incorporation cost account debit 50,000, and we are offering the shares to them to share capital 50,000. Now bacha, one thing you have to be always remember, that in DK Goyal it is given incorporation cost, or it is given by one more word which is known as formation expense, because promoters are actually forming the company, so whatever the shares we are giving to them, it is recorded as a formation expenses, but it is given in the DK Goyal. That's why I told you also, because you have the DK Goyal book, you have to study as per this one. But bacha, recent update is there. One recent update is there, that as per the ICSI, Institute of Chartered Accountant of India, ICSI, ठीक है, Institute of Company Secretary of India, it is said, okay, a recent update is there where ICSI, Institute of Company Secretary of India, said that instead of incorporation, instead of formation, whatever shares we are giving to promoters, instead of incorporation, instead of formation, we will open the goodwill account. Goodwill account debit to share capital account. Goodwill account debit to share capital. This is given in SC Sharma book. Okay. So SC Sharma book of accountancy is also very good. Always keep updating the contents. So bacha, I'm telling you the both things. Acha sir, what I have to write down? Anything, whatever you can write down, the marks will be given to both. But as you are following the DK Goyal books, so it is advisable you go for incorporation cost or formation expenses whenever you are issuing the shares to the promoters. But remember this concept, that whenever you go for the higher studies, and recently it is changed, and Institute of Company Secretary of India has announced that instead, if we are issuing the shares to the promoters, it will be goodwill account debit to share capital. Okay. Now chalo ji, one question we will solve. Question is bacha on this: X Limited issued 50,000 share of 20 each as a fully paid up to the promoters, to the promoters for their service. Okay. X Limited issued 50,000 shares, 50,000 equity shares at the rate of 20 each as fully paid up to the promoters for their service. And bacha, and it is also said that 25,000 shares of 20 each issued to underwriters for their commission. Okay बच्चा, So two information we have. We have one information that 50,000 equity shares of 20 each as a fully paid up is issued to the promoters for their service. And 25,000 shares of 20 each is issued to the underwriters for their commission. Okay, bacha. Ab now one particular thing is there. So, sir, who is underwriters? The promoters, so sir, we understand. Who will promote the companies? Who help to format the companies? Who help to establish the companies? Who give the ideas and all that? We understand. But what is the meaning of underwriters? Who is underwriters? देखो बच्चा, simple understand. If a company is issuing the new shares, there is a risk. What risk? There is a risk that all shares will subscribe, sold out. Maybe that all shares will not subscribe and sold out. And underwriters are the bank or any other financial institution. Underwriters are the bank or any other financial institution who give the promise to buy all the unsold shares of new issued shares of company. Getting my point? अंडरराइटर्स कौन है भाई? अंडरराइटर्स ने कहा रिलायंस से कि ठीक है भाई आप शेयर इशू करो. वी विल परचेज, वी आर गिविंग द प्रॉमिस टू देम, प्रॉमिस टू यू कि वॉट एवर शेयर्स आर अनसोल्ड वी विल परचेज. So underwriters are giving the promise to the companies that if new shares are unsold, they will purchase the shares. And for that they are taking a commission from the bank, commission from the business, commission from the company. And sometime company paid the commission in cash, sometime company not paid the commission in cash. Instead of that, company issued the shares to the underwriters. So how it will pass, bacha? So bacha, here two entry will pass. Number one is issued to promoters. So bacha, when the shares are issued to promoters, that expense is known as incorporation expenses. So it will be written incorporation cost account debit to share capital account. Incorporation cost account debit to share capital. तो बच्चा कितना भाई? 50,000 shares at the rate of 20. तो how much it will be बच्चा? 5 2 10, 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay. Total 10 lakh. So to share capital, total 10 lakh rupees. Okay बच्चा. Incorporation cost account debit 10 lakh rupees to share capital 10 lakh rupees. And the next one, issued to underwriters as a commission. So for that bacha, what you will write down? Bacha, who is receiving the shares? Underwriters. So debit the receiver. So underwriters account debit to share capital account. How much underwriters are receiving bacha? To see here, 25,000 into 20. So 25 into 2 is 50. 1 2 3 4 0 means 5 lakh and 5 lakh. So this is the way how the shares are issued other than cash. It is the first topic. under the topic of other than cash. And tomorrow, on tomorrow in next class, we will learn how the shares will be adjusted when we are taking any assets, and instead of paying the money for the assets, we issued the shares. Mean issue of shares other than cash when we purchase any assets. तो बच्चा issue of shares other than cash is divided in two parts. One is other than cash to the promoters and to underwriters. One is other than cash whenever we are taking any assets. Okay बच्चा, चलो जी, thank you.